Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. Jim. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how do you create a commercial cleaning contract or a contract in general for your commercial cleaning business. How do you create that? Well, a lot of times you want to make sure that you write out everything you want to include in it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put the scope of work, when you're actually going to start, who is the customer. You want to put in exactly what are the parameters in the contract, meaning the terms and conditions, what time you can get in, who's going to supply the paper products, the chemicals, taxes, supervision, what holidays. Make sure you include everything, especially those holidays, because if you're expecting that if you say you're going to work and you're off on these holidays, you're expecting to get paid, but the customer feels if you're not there, you're not going to get paid. You want to make sure you have that all written out. Also put in anything that's important to you. Of course, like if they do not pay, what's considered a breach when you're in? What's considered a breach when your customer's in? When they have to give you notification for if they're not happy, what do they do if they're not happy? Also make sure you include in there when they have to let you know they're going to renew the contract. And also make sure you put in there if they don't pay and you have to take them to court, will the court costs be included? Now what I would suggest in almost every state, there's something called legal aid. Legal aid, I've used them over and over and over for $50 or a little bit more than that. You can actually talk to a contract officer or a contract attorney in the legal aid department. So look up your state, put in legal aid. A lot of times they'll let you use $50 and they will find an attorney for you for 30 minutes. And that's usually enough time for you to have already drafted out that contract and send it to them for them to take a look at it and see if it works. If you want to learn more about all of this, then make sure you do what? Click to register for the free masterclass. In this masterclass, I am going to tell you exactly what you need to do to scale your business to what? Six figures and beyond. How? Using all of the tools that I teach. So if you want to learn how to start and scale, then make sure you actually register for the free masterclass. I'll look forward to seeing you. And until next time, be safe. Bye-bye.